Konnichiwa Makabanti from BSMT1 Charlie. This is my IMVP2 with the theme Gnomonics of lights, shapes, fog, and sound signals. With a tune I Love You So by the Walters. On the first day of sailing, my captain taught to me a mnemonics of light, shape, sound at sea. Not under command to red lights in a vertical line. Two black balls on prolonged and two short blasts. The run is to red, the middle is white. Diamond and two balls, one color and two short blasts. Four signals. Four signals. One short blast. Duration is 1 second. One prolonged blast for the 6 seconds. These sound signals must be used to communicate at sea. 3 red lights in a vertical line, constrained by that. 2 black balls, vertical line, 1 prolonged, and another 2 short blasts. 3 separate, and distinct strokes on the bell. Distinct strokes on the bell.
Wants to be caught by me.
And that's all, sir, for my IMBP 2. Thank you for watching.